Hi guys, I am Salim Haider from SHK Excel World, and today's video is on a very useful software, that is Power Business Intelligence. So let us have a look. Just go to your browser and search for Power BI. The first link that comes up is Microsoft site for Power Business Intelligence or Power BI. And at the home page of Power BI, you can see different visuals or a dashboard. And by the look of it, you can see that Power BI is meant for converting the raw data into a very useful dashboard, which is as interactive as any dashboard which you create using Power Pivot or Excel. So Power BI comes in two forms. One is the desktop version and the other one is the online or the cloud version. On the main page, you can see various dashboards that have been given as a sample. And for your understanding, just click the start free icon on the website. And the next thing that comes up is the download free button, which is for Power BI desktop. So the desktop version is completely free for downloading. As soon as you click this, so this is free for downloading. I have already downloaded this and installed it onto my computer, and here is the shortcut for the Power BI desktop. The only limitation for Power BI desktop is that on one side you can create your dashboards. The downside for Power BI desktop is that you cannot publish your reports online and you cannot share those reports or dashboards or analysis with your friends or colleagues. So if you go down on the Power BI homepage, there are two pricing given for the cloud version of Power BI. The one which is really suitable for individuals who want to publish their reports online is the Power BI Pro. So this is 2 months or 60 days free trial. If you click this, it will take you to the app.powerbi.com, which is a homepage for the online Power BI. You can sign up by using any of your work email. Any email which has been created using Gmail, Hotmail or any social media, that will not be entertained here. You will have to use your work email. Like I have already created my online user using my work email. So I'm just going to type, I already have an account. So this will not allow me to sign up again. So it says that you already have an account. You just need to sign in. So let us have a look at the Power BI desktop version, as I already have it installed onto my laptop. So double click the Power BI desktop shortcut. You can either sign in using your online user which you have bought for the online version, or you can just cancel this and use the desktop version for free. So from the look of it, it seems to be a little complex for using, but once you have gone through all the elements that are available in the Power BI, it will seem just like using an Excel or a Word file. Just to give you a quick intro of what is available in here. In the home ribbon, you can connect to your external data, you can insert different visuals, and at the end of the home ribbon, there is a button for publishing. Since I have not signed into my online account through the desktop version, the icon is inactive. So once I sign in, this will become active and I can publish any of my desktop version report to the online version. So these are main three icons that will be used. The first one is where you create relationship between different tables that you have imported or linked to using the Power BI. If you have worked with Power Pivot and created different data models, Power BI then will be very easy for you to understand. So if you want to know how data models are created in Power Pivot, down below I have given the link to my video, and the last one is a visual where you can use fields from your data model and convert them into very useful interactive visuals. So hope you have liked this video. Stay tuned for my next video because I am going to tell you how to create a data model using a Power BI desktop. Do subscribe to my channel SHK Excel World, and thanks for watching.